Finding a sponsor as an electrician involves several strategic approaches. Firstly, networking is crucial. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and connect with other electricians. These connections can often lead to information about potential sponsors or companies willing to offer sponsorship. Secondly, reach out to electrical unions. Many electrical unions offer apprenticeship programs and direct sponsorship opportunities. Unions are a valuable resource for electricians seeking support and advancement in their careers. Thirdly, consider using job recruiters. Specialized recruitment agencies often have connections with employers who are actively seeking to sponsor foreign workers. These recruiters can match your skills and experience with companies that have sponsorship programs in place. Fourthly, search online job boards. Look specifically for job openings that explicitly mention sponsorship as a benefit. These listings are often posted by companies that are actively looking to hire and sponsor foreign workers. Fifthly, temporary staffing agencies can provide an avenue to sponsorship. Some staffing agencies offer temporary assignments that can potentially lead to sponsorship if you prove to be a valuable employee. This allows you to demonstrate your skills and work ethic, increasing your chances of securing sponsorship. Preparing for sponsorship involves several key steps. Firstly, completing your journeyman's test based on the National Electrical Code is essential. Passing the required exams demonstrates your proficiency and knowledge as an electrician, making you a more attractive candidate for sponsorship. Secondly, gather all necessary documentation. Have your passport, visa, work experience records, and educational credentials readily available. Having these documents organized and accessible streamlines the application process. Thirdly, prepare a professional resume and cover letter. Highlight your skills, experience, and qualifications to showcase why you are a suitable candidate for sponsorship. Tailor your resume and cover letter to each specific job application, emphasizing the aspects that align with the employer's needs. Fourthly, maintain a professional and persistent approach. Follow up with potential sponsors and demonstrate your eagerness to work and contribute to their company. Show enthusiasm and a willingness to learn and grow within their organization. Additional tips can further enhance your chances of finding a sponsor. Firstly, focus on building a positive reputation within the electrical industry. Consistently provide quality work, demonstrate a strong work ethic, and maintain professionalism in all your interactions. A good reputation can significantly increase your appeal to potential sponsors. Secondly, study immigration laws and regulations. Familiarize yourself with the requirements and processes involved in sponsorship. Understanding the legal framework helps you navigate the complexities of the sponsorship process more effectively. Thirdly, seek legal advice if needed. Consult with an immigration attorney to ensure you understand your rights and options, and to receive guidance on the legal aspects of sponsorship. Finally, be patient throughout the process. Finding a sponsor can take time, so don't get discouraged if you don't receive immediate results. Persistence and a proactive approach are key to success. Remember that obtaining a journeyman's license typically involves demonstrating a certain number of hours of on-the-job experience under the supervision of a licensed electrician, in addition to passing a comprehensive exam. The exam usually covers electrical theory, the National Electrical Code, and local regulations. Being well-versed in the National Electrical Code is paramount, as it sets the standard for safe electrical installations. Furthermore, consider specializing in a particular area of electrical work. Some electricians focus on residential wiring, while others specialize in commercial or industrial electrical systems. Developing expertise in a niche area can make you more valuable to potential employers and increase your chances of sponsorship. Networking is not just about attending events, it's also about building relationships. Attend local chapter meetings for electrical organizations and actively participate in discussions. Volunteer for industry projects to gain experience and exposure. Utilize online professional networking platforms to connect with electricians and employers. Remember to present yourself professionally in all your interactions, both online and offline. Your online presence should reflect your professionalism and expertise. Keep your profiles up to date and engage in meaningful discussions within the electrical community. When contacting potential sponsors, be prepared to answer questions about your skills, experience, and career goals. Clearly articulate why you are seeking sponsorship and how you can contribute to their organization. Research the company thoroughly before contacting them to demonstrate your interest and understanding of their business. Consider creating a portfolio of your work to showcase your skills and experience. Include photographs or videos of projects you have completed, along with detailed descriptions of your role and responsibilities. A portfolio provides tangible evidence of your capabilities and can impress potential sponsors. Continuously update your skills and knowledge through continuing education courses and industry certifications. Staying current with the latest technologies and best practices demonstrates your commitment to professional development and enhances your value as an electrician. Consider pursuing certifications in areas such as renewable energy, smart home technology, or industrial automation. These certifications can set you apart from other candidates and increase your appeal to employers. Explore opportunities to mentor or train other electricians. Sharing your knowledge and experience can enhance your leadership skills and build your reputation within the industry. Mentoring can also provide valuable networking opportunities and insights into the needs of potential sponsors. Consider joining trade associations or unions that represent electricians. These organizations often provide resources, training, and networking opportunities that can help you advance your career. They may also offer sponsorship programs or connect you with employers who are seeking to sponsor foreign workers. Attend industry conferences and trade shows to learn about the latest trends and technologies in the electrical field. These events provide opportunities to network with industry professionals, attend educational sessions, and explore new products and services. Consider presenting at conferences or writing articles for industry publications to share your expertise and gain recognition. When applying for sponsorship, be prepared to provide detailed information about your education, training, and work experience. Be honest and accurate in your application, and provide all required documentation in a timely manner. Respond promptly to any requests for additional information or clarification. Be prepared to undergo background checks and security clearances as part of the sponsorship process. These checks are typically conducted to ensure that you meet the necessary requirements for working in the electrical field and to protect the safety and security of the workplace. If you are offered sponsorship, carefully review the terms and conditions of the agreement before accepting it. Ensure that you understand your rights and responsibilities as a sponsored employee and seek legal advice if needed. Maintain open communication with your sponsor throughout the sponsorship period. Keep them informed of your progress and any challenges you may be facing, and seek their guidance and support as needed. Remember that building a successful career as an electrician requires ongoing effort and dedication. Continuously strive to improve your skills, expand your knowledge, and build your professional network. By following these strategies and tips, you can increase your chances of finding a sponsor and achieving your career goals. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, is a comprehensive set of standards and guidelines for safe electrical installations in the United States. It is updated every 3 years to reflect the latest technologies and best practices in the electrical industry. The NEC covers a wide range of topics, including wiring methods, overcurrent protection, grounding, and equipment installation. It is essential for electricians to be thoroughly familiar with the NEC to ensure that their work meets the required safety standards. The NEC is not a law itself, but it is often adopted by state and local jurisdictions as part of their building codes. This means that compliance with the NEC is legally required in many areas. The NEC is divided into chapters, articles, and sections, each addressing a specific aspect of electrical installations. It is organized in a logical and systematic manner, making it relatively easy to navigate. The NEC includes tables, diagrams, and examples to help electricians understand and apply the code requirements. It also includes definitions of key terms and concepts to ensure consistency in interpretation. Some of the most important topics covered by the NEC include grounding and bonding, overcurrent protection, wiring methods, and equipment installation. Grounding and bonding are essential for preventing electrical shock hazards and ensuring the safe operation of electrical equipment. Overcurrent protection devices, such as circuit breakers and fuses, are designed to protect electrical circuits from overloads and short circuits. Wiring methods specify the types of wiring materials and techniques that are permitted for different applications. Equipment installation requirements cover the proper installation and connection of electrical equipment, such as lighting fixtures, appliances, and machinery. The NEC also includes specific requirements for special occupancies, such as healthcare facilities, hazardous locations, and swimming pools. These requirements are designed to address the unique electrical safety challenges associated with these environments. The NEC is a complex and comprehensive document, and it can be challenging to understand and apply all of its requirements. However, it is essential for electricians to have a thorough understanding of the NEC to ensure the safety of themselves and the public. There are many resources available to help electricians learn and understand the NEC, including training courses, seminars, and online resources. The National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA, is the organization that publishes the NEC. The NFPA offers a variety of resources to help electricians understand and apply the code, including the NEC Handbook, which provides detailed explanations and examples of the code requirements. The NEC is constantly evolving to reflect the latest technologies and best practices in the electrical industry. It is important for electricians to stay up to date with the latest edition of the NEC and to attend continuing education courses to maintain their knowledge and skills. The NEC is an essential tool for ensuring the safety and reliability of electrical installations. By following the NEC requirements, electricians can help to prevent electrical hazards and protect the public from harm. In addition to the NEC, there are other codes and standards that may apply to electrical installations depending on the location and type of project. These may include state and local building codes, as well as industry standards such as those published by the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, or IEE. It is important for electricians to be familiar with all of the applicable codes and standards to ensure that their work meets the required safety and performance standards. When working on electrical installations, it is essential to follow safe work practices and to use appropriate personal protective equipment, or PPE. This may include gloves, safety glasses, and insulated tools. It is also important to energize electrical circuits before working on them whenever possible. Lockout/tagout procedures should be used to prevent accidental energization of circuits while they are being worked on. Electrical safety is a shared responsibility. Electricians, employers, and building owners all have a role to play in ensuring that electrical installations are safe and reliable. By working together and following the appropriate codes and standards, we can help to prevent electrical hazards and protect the public from harm. To be a licensed journeyman electrician, one needs to demonstrate proficiency in electrical theory, the National Electrical Code, and local regulations, which typically involves a comprehensive exam and a certain amount of work experience under a licensed electrician. Continuous learning, networking, and maintaining a strong work ethic will greatly enhance career prospects and the potential for finding an employer willing to sponsor.